Hi, how you doing? My name's Alex and I build workflow automations for small businesses. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 automations that every small business should have running. If you don't have at least 4 or 5 of these, you're probably wasting 20 to 30 hours per week, and that's costing you real money. Let's dive in. Most small businesses I talk to are wasting between 20 and 30 hours every single week on repetitive tasks. Things like copying data between systems, sending follow-up emails, updating spreadsheets. At average labour costs, that's £40,000 to £60,000 per year. So let me show you the 7 workflows that can get you that time and money back. Number 1. Lead capture to CRM automation. This workflow automatically captures leads from all your channels, Instagram, Facebook, your website, wherever. Then adds them to your CRM with the right tags based on where they came from. It triggers a personalised follow-up sequence immediately and notifies your sales team in real time. No more manually copying and pasting lead information. This typically saves businesses around 8 hours per week, which is around £15,000 per year in ROI. You can build this with end-to-end, Google Sheets or Airtable, and your email system. Number 2. Meeting booking automation. This one uses AI to qualify your leads by asking a few smart questions, then automatically sends a calendar link only to qualified prospects. It books the meeting based on your availability, sends reminders to both you and the prospect, and updates your CRM with the meeting status. No more back and forth emails trying to find a time that works. This saves about 5 hours per week and delivers around £10,000 per year in ROI. You build this with end-to-end, Calendly, your email system, and your CRM. Number 3. Invoice and payment follow-up. This workflow monitors your unpaid invoices and automatically sends friendly reminder emails at whatever intervals you set. Maybe 7 days before the due date, on the due date, and 7 days after. If the invoice is really overdue, it can escalate to notify your team to make a phone call. It keeps your accounting team in the loop via Slack and updates payment status in real time. This saves about 4 hours per week, which is £8,000 per year. Plus, you get paid faster because reminders go out consistently. You can build this with end-to-end, Stripe, email, and Slack. Number 4. Customer onboarding automation. When someone becomes a new customer, this workflow kicks off immediately. It sends a welcome email sequence, delivers all the relevant documents and resources they need, schedules check-in calls, assigns tasks internally to your team, and tracks the whole onboarding process so nothing falls through the cracks. This typically saves 6 hours per week and delivers about £12,000 per year in ROI. You build it with end-to-end, your email system, Google Drive, and Calendly. Number 5. Social media content distribution. This one takes one piece of content, maybe a YouTube video or a blog post, and automatically repurposes it across all your platforms. It creates different formats for LinkedIn, X, and Facebook, posts them at optimal times, and even tracks engagement and notifies you when someone comments so you can respond. This saves about 5 hours per week, which is £10,000 per year in ROI. You build this with end-to-end, social media APIs, and AI tools for the repurposing. Number 6. Data sync between tools. If you're using multiple tools, like a CRM, an email platform, a project management system, this workflow keeps them all in sync automatically. When customer data changes in one place, it updates everywhere else. It prevents duplicate entries, maintains consistency, and completely eliminates manual data entry between systems. This saves about 3 hours per week and delivers £6,000 per year in ROI. You build this with end-to-end, connected to whatever tools you're already using. And number 7. Team notification and task assignment. This workflow automatically routes customer inquiries to the right team member based on what the inquiry is about. It assigns tasks based on who has the capacity, sends notifications via Slack or email, tracks when tasks are completed, and escalates if something is overdue. This saves about 4 hours per week and delivers £8,000 per year in ROI. You build this with N8N, Slack, and whatever project management tools you're using. So when you add all 7 of these up, we're talking about 35 hours per week saved. That's nearly a full-time employee's worth of time. At typical SMB labour costs, that's £69,000 per year in savings. Here's the reality. Every single week you don't have these automations running, your business is losing money. If you're running a small business and you don't have a few of these automations, you're leaving serious money on the table. I help businesses implement exactly these kind of workflows. If you want to know where your business is losing time and money, drop the word automate in the comments below. Let's talk about getting you those hours back. Thanks for watching.